Hi, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here at Ariel Foundation Park in Mount Vernon, Ohio. So this park is basically an old Pittsburgh plate glass factory that was abandoned, then repurposed into a park in 2013 and 2014. I'm going to be making a few videos here. This one's going to go over most of the buildings on the land. I'm going to give two of the buildings their own videos. And I'm also going to do one on the landscape here. So first, starting out, I'm in the event center right now. Although this looks very new, this is one of the original buildings, but it was later repurposed and refurbished. This is at the very far end of the park. As you can see, this is just kind of a giant open area. There's a bunch of garage doors, so they can open and close the doors as needed. There's cameras because this is an event center. And down on the end here, you have a stage. So this building isn't really anything particularly cool to me. It's definitely been repurposed a lot. But as you come out from here, you can see the old elevators and stairs. So we're gonna walk over to them real quick. So this is just one of the 3 elevator towers here. They're all actually locked and blocked off. You can't get inside of them. But they did just leave them here in their current state. You can see all the way up there. As you can see, there's even still a sign that says, if the emergency bell rings, call the shift electrician immediately. And we'll just see if we can see anything in there. Up here we have the Rosten Tower. This is, I believe it's a 210-foot tower, but you can actually climb up the first 150 feet. Now, I will be giving this tower its own video because I think it's a pretty neat tower, but I can't do it until April because it is gated, and from November to April, it won't let you inside the gates. So I'll just give you guys one more look at that real quick. So again, I'll be trying to do another video on this probably in the spring when they reopen the gate. So now just down the front of the Rosten Tower is the gas control building. Most of the buildings here have little plates on it. As you can see, this one talks about how to make sheet glass. You sometimes need temperatures as high as 3,000 degrees. And this is basically the building that will control it all. And you can actually look in here, and there's still equipment in here, which I think is pretty neat. If we just look in there, and then we have an old danger sign. And then it appears that the other half of this building might still be used by Columbia Gas. So that's interesting that it's still possibly being used. So next I'm going to walk down to these 2 other towers that are in the park. But before I do, over here there's a foundation of a building. I'm not really sure what this building was. And then over here we have the clock house. So back when workers used to work here, they would have to go into this building to clock in and clock out to work on old punch card systems. It is now a museum, but it's only open on the weekends from, I think, April to September, so it's not open right now. So I'm gonna head over to these 2 towers over here real quick. So I just read a plaque that says that these, it's called the Ridges Truss sculpture, actually were the roof supports for the Coxey building, which is over there. I'm actually gonna do a separate video about that building because I think it's neat. So these were actually the roof supports at one point for that building. So as we get near the towers, you'll notice that there's a bunch of random bricks sticking out, and way far in the distance, if you can see, there's just like a square chunk of rock. I'm not really sure what purpose these serve. I'm not sure if they're original brick from the factory, if they were like this when they were made, or if this is a sculpture. Then also back there we have another building. I'm not sure if it's original or not. Right now it seems to be used for like the maintenance of the park. First time I came here, they had tractors and stuff, and they're coming out and mowing. So now I'm at the next set of elevator buildings. There is a plaque on this one, and it says that the key to their success in the development of this glass was to draw the glass upward 3 stories and cooling it during the ascent while it was going up. So I'm not really sure how that would have worked. I'm imagining those parts of the buildings are no longer here. But as you can see here, we have what looks to be a freight elevator. Again, it's completely locked off, but it's very original. You got the signs. The top level even has a string still holding off of it. And this one actually still has the buttons, but of course they no longer work. And we'll just see if you can see anything in there. Can't really, you can kind of see some cobwebs, but that's it. So as we walk around this side, get another view of it. And then as we walk over here to this other elevator tower, this one actually has open things. So this is an elevator and stair tower actually, like the one over there. So that means there's both elevators and stairs in it. So I'm actually gonna save the side part for later in a second. We're just gonna walk around it. So as you can see, there is the door that's all locked. Kind of see some windows in the back. I'm guessing the elevator is on the other side. Oh, we got some geese over here. So we can actually look into this one, which is very nice. I'll go back around to the other side in a second to take a look, because we'll be able to see up the stairs kind of. So here we have another elevator. Again, to me this looks like a freight elevator. It would be able to hold a lot more than the elevator over there. Walk up to it, we can see some of the equipment. Looks like this is a fire department key. Let's see if we can see anything inside. Not really. Over here we have some geese that are just strolling around. So as we walk back around to the side of it, you can see in. We can actually see up the stairs a bit, which is pretty neat. So like I said, this over here is the pavilion. Like I said, it has picnic tables in the back, but the first time I came here, I saw people with tractors in there, and they came out and they were mowing, so I'm guessing it's for maintenance. Over there we have the Coxley building. I'm going to be doing a separate video about that, but it did used to be a steel building. And again, I'll be doing a different video on the Rosten Tower. And I'm also going to be doing a video of the landscape here, because I think it's very interesting. So look forward to those videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're anywhere near Mount Vernon, Ohio, you should definitely check this park out, because it's pretty cool. Especially when the tower is open, it's very cool. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more in the future.